as you can see, is still unfinished, but since the components arrived quite late, I can still show the main functions of this robot. So first, since the theme is underwater or aquatic, we decided to create a robot that can go underwater, aka basically a submarine, and it will use a ballast, which is still working on it. It'll use a gear that will change the pressure of inside the submarine using a syringe that will be outside of the submarine. So it changes the pressure, thus making it sink more. After that, I added 3 sensors on top of the submarine, which will be sealed with a rubber seal. First is a turbidity sensor, which uses photoresistors to check how murky the water is, whether it's clear or murky. Next is the temperature sensor to check the temperature of the water. And third is the pH sensor to sense the water acidity in the underwater environment. This cable is a USB extender towards the Wi-Fi adapter, which will be bobbing above the water, since Wi-Fi does not work through water. After that, all the components unfortunately is quite jumbled because we didn't really have time to put it together, but I have wired it.
This is the pH sensor. It detects the acidity in the water when the submarine is going down. With this sensor, we could check if the water is too acidic or too alkaline. Next up, we have the temperature sensors, also known as thermistor. We use this device to collect data, which is the temperature in the water when the submarine is going down. Next up, we have the turbidity sensors. It detects level of NTUs in the water. Basically, the higher the value of NTUs when in the water, the murkier the water is.